I'm Džejn Henli, the CEO of the World Green Building Council. The Serbia Green Building Council is organising the Serbia Green Building Expo and Conference to meet the rising excitement for green building in your country. Serbia has several green building projects on the go at the moment, with more than 250,000 metres squared aiming for certification in both the new construction and existing building markets. The Serbian construction industry is well known for its excellence in design and construction, and now it's showing its readiness for our collective opportunity all around the world to create sustainable cities and communities in the 21st century. There are over 90 green building councils, as you'll see marked on this map, facilitating the industry coming together to share ideas and to learn from each other here in Serbia and abroad. There are over 30,000 companies actively involved in the green building market to grow it and to service that marketplace. The Serbia Green Building Expo and Conference is a great place to meet and to be at the forefront of green building in Serbia now in 2012. So come and hear about the successes in your country and how a small economy has been able to be competitive and green. Your host, the Serbia WGBC, calls for you to join them in Belgrade this month. So for more information, see serbiagbc.org.